Yes, get ready for the legal dictation containing 550 words at the speed of 110 words per minute. 3 seconds. Start. He was directed to forward the reference petition to the district judge for proper adjudication in accordance with law. Pursuant to the aforesaid order dated 10/11/1986, the reference petition filed by late Sri Indraj and Srimati Ramdevi was forwarded by the land acquisition collector. In the reference petition, the predecessors in interest of the appellants claimed an enhancement in the compensation for the acquired land at the rate of rupees 30 per square yard apart from other statutory benefits. The reference court framed the issues on 16/9/1987 in the following manner: to what enhancement in the amount of compensation, if any, are the claimants entitled? After considering the documentary evidence produced by the appellant's claimants in the form of certified copies of some judgments, including the decision of the High Court in RFA number 117 of 1994, that of the additional district judge in land acquisition collector, and the compensation granted in award number 220 of 1986-87 pertaining to village Kilokari, involving notification of the land under section 4 of the act dated 13/11/1959, the reference court concluded that the fair market value of the land on the date of notification under section 4 of the act could be assessed at the rate of rupees 26,000 per bigha. However, the aforesaid enhancement in compensation was declined to the appellants on ground that the said amount was beyond the rates claimed. As a result, issue number 1 was answered against the appellants by holding that they were not entitled to any enhancement in compensation. Aggrieved by the said order and judgment, the appellants have preferred the present appeal. Counsel for the appellants relied upon a judgment of the division bench of this court dated 10/10/1984 entitled Anguri Devi versus Union of India, and another in support of his submission that the appellant therein was identically placed as the appellants herein, and hence his clients were also entitled to the same relief of enhancement in compensation as granted to her in the said case. In the case of Anguri Devi Supra, the claimant was granted compensation at the rate of rupees 26,000 per bigha for identical land situated in village Kilokari covered under the same award. Support was sought to be drawn from a judgment in the case of State of Punjab versus Karnail Singh and others. By this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the legality of award dated 6/10/2003. Brief facts are that the petitioner raised following industrial dispute which was referred for adjudication to the labor court: whether the services of Sri Tezpal have been terminated illegally and unjustifiable by the management, and if so, to what relief is he entitled, and what directions are necessary in this respect. The tribunal came to the conclusion that the workman has failed to establish that he had worked for 240 days with the management to qualify for benefit under Section 25 of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, for salt the Act. The tribunal also observed that when management requested the petitioner to join duties while letter dated 8-10-1999, the workman, instead of joining duties, persisted with the allegation. Stop over.